Hey guys, I hope you're all doing fine. For today's adventure, we're heading towards northwest of Riyadh, approximately 73.4 kilometers away, because one of my friend invited us to have camping. And time check, it's 4:30. Eta would be 5:30 or 6. So let's go, guys. Yala na! And welcome to my life. There's something special about spontaneity that comes with a road trip. You never know what's going to happen on the road, but when you look back at the end of the trip, we can guarantee that those moments or memories will forever linger in our hearts and in our mind. And for me, open roads bring inner peace within me that I rarely found on other experiences. I don't know how and I don't know why, but maybe because I can appreciate what God has given us. And in few seconds, you will witness how great His creation is. And on this side also we saw locals enjoying picnics, because maybe they're just enjoying the rest of the winter season. This view is so real. It looks like you're in Alice in Wonderland. And we arrived on the location around 5:30 p.m. And the name of the city is Durma. where he chased the bad guy. That's why I said maybe there's gonna be a bowl of rock that will smash us. Hi, it reminds me of my childhood memories when we rode the Indiana Jones in Disneyland. And here we are, guys. Me and Kimmy are looking for our natural toilet. And on this view, you can see that this place is wow. Definitely wow. And we have a dog, guys. His name is Brownie. And he was the dog of Martin and Kimmy. Here we're discussing where the wind goes in and out. So we're gonna prevent it, or we're gonna prevent the tent from falling apart. Wait, I'm gonna reveal my getup, guys. Dun 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 dun. See? My getup is like I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. That's because last night I said I won't go, but last minute I decided that I should go with them, and luckily I did, because there's memories that has been added on my collection of good experiences. And as you can see how shala they are, this one is tent, and our friend Martin, he has car top tent. I just saw that in those American movies only, guys. And that's the sunset. It's like waving goodbye. And that's Kay, our Saudi friend. He prepares the charcoal for our food to be grilled. And that's Kim and Martin. She's actually the one who invited us for this camping. And to be honest, I'm really shocked with Martin's equipment. Just like this one, the light. We never had this before when we had our camping. See how bright the space in the area is? If there's light, it's easier for us to move, to work. The best. This is what you called windbreaker, and honestly guys, this is my first time to experience a well-equipped camping. I mean, we didn't have this at our first camping. This windbreaker, this light, that car top 10. It was just so amazing. The best, I swear. And on this section we have this foldable table intended for camping. I don't know, but I'm just so amazed how shallow this strip is. And now Kim is starting to grill our food. We have 2 big chickens, 1 bangus, and then 1 fish that I don't know. But it was tasty, I swear. And the best part of the camping is eating. And at this moment, we are discussing what if there's gonna be a fox, a snake, or whatever, just in case. So that we will know what to do and what might not. There's nothing like the warmth and fun of a desert bonfire to turn an ordinary evening into a remarkable night with friends and with your loved ones. By the way, I'm wearing farwal. Basically, it is a coat made with fur, essentially for winter.